This is what they look like. They're the rose gold magnets. And I think it was like a 44-piece set. They had other sizes. Oh, these are cute. And guys, these are neodymium magnets. So these things do not play, right? They're not like the cheap ones that you get at like some of the, you know what I'm talking about, little corner stores. No, like these will hold up to like 10 or 11 pieces of paper. Oh my God, look how cute. Beautiful. So, I mean, there's not a lot you can say about magnets. If you want a quality magnet, you have to buy a neodymium magnet. They had it in like rose gold, gold, and silver in multiple quantities. I have purchased these so many different times doing this project, making magnets for people. These are the only ones that I use because they're just super high quality. They stick to everything. And plus, I love the extra touch of it being a cool little color. So there you go. If you need magnets, guys, this set does not disappoint. And I love the little carrying case, but I usually have to you have to kind of click it off because they want to just hang out together. Oh, there you go.